Hey guys, it's me, Corn Caruso here. Riley's right behind me.
Hello.
We're doing the Not My Arms challenge, King's Court. She'll explain it.
Yeah. So we were doing the King's Court Not My Arm challenge.
And I have rubber band.
Yeah.
My hands together.
So King's Court is basically when you pick out two squishies and you battle them. So you pick which one you like more, and then the winners versus the winners, and so on. And you end out with your favorite squishy. So let's get started.
Okay. Alright, okay. Squish the pillowy one. That one's pretty plain. Turn around the other one. It says love. Stop. Love. Or that, I really like the love one. I'm not so sure about. Okay, cool. Grab two more. Alright, pick them up. There's a Rilakkuma. A peach. I like the Rilakkuma better. Good. Okay, pick two. The sugar. I gotta say the sugar doll. That is not cool. No. The sugar doll wins. Oh god. Oh my god, I can make a decision this quick. I like the skunk more. Pick two. Teriyaki fish. I already know. There you go. Flip it. There you go. Oh. I gotta say the rose pillow. It goes. Oh my god, this is the hardest decision of my life. Maybe not my life, but.
Ow!
Eggo.
You like booty butt me.
We haven't even amount of squishies.
We do? Oh, yeah, we do.
Oh. Okay. I like the pillow better.
So this one automatically is one of the winners. So we're gonna get all our winners now.
Alright, now we got the winners. Ooh, great. Come on. Ooh, good choice. I take the skunk. Ooh. Teriyaki fish. Rilakkuma. Sugar doll. Oh, we only have one left. Okay.
Now time for the winners versus the winners. Okay, so next round.
Okay, pick out those squishies. A skunk. Sugar doll. It's a lot cuter than skunk. Oh. Rilakkuma.
This one automatically wins.
Yep.
Time for the winners against the winners.
Okay.
Okay, next round. Huh?
Oh my god, are you kidding me? What am I gonna do, guys? I don't know.
Hey, get out of here, Ham. It's my job.
I want the teriyaki fish.
Oh, I found it. This one automatically wins.
Okay, last round.
Teriyaki fish versus this.
Okay. I'm honestly gonna pick that one.
Okay, so this is me as winner, my chocolate teriyaki fish. So as you can see, this is obviously not all my squishies. So now it's my turn. And Mia's hands are right here. So I go in front and she goes behind me and we're doing the same squishies. And we obviously don't have the same opinion. Oh my, blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, we obviously don't have the same opinion, so. Okay, pick the bowl. Okay, so my beans and my papalushi. My beans. Hey, you can't see.
Oh, I'm not.
Lift them up. Okay, so I think squish them. The beans wins. Okay, pick the next one. Oh. Okay, so I think skunk wins. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, next one. Oh my gosh. Okay, the pillow wins. Hey, you can't see. No, not that one. No.
No.
Need that. No.
It's lost.
No. Ooh, juicy. No, it's the wrong way. There. Good.
Hey, wait, get your hands out of there.
No, make the bag come out. Yay! I like my rainbow donut. No.
Hey, you're not allowed to be touching stuff.
Hey, I grabbed it. My rose pillow and my capybaras and pancake. You can't see. I pick my capybaras on. Yeah, good job. Okay, pick. Oh, my blob or my Rilakkuma? My blob. Okay, pick the next one. My Eggo box or my teriyaki fish? My Eggo box. Yeah. My sugar bread dough? Hey, you can't see. Or my blah 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 book. My blah 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 book. And my money wins. So on to the next round. Next round. I'm getting hot. Hey, you can't see. Do we have to blindfold you? You got my bag? My rainbow donut? Come on. No, it's upside down. Oh my god. There we go. Okay, that's enough.
Which one?
My Eggo box. My rainbow donut. No, that's
You
the
said my
loser.
Eggo box.
I said my rainbow donut. Oh my gosh. Okay, Rilakkuma wins. Actually, show them the camera. Okay, Rilakkuma wins. Oh. Hey, you can't see. Okay, my blah 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 book or my beans? My beans. Oh my gosh. No, that's the loser. Get it out of here. Okay, my money or my capybara fun? My capybara fun. Yep. No, grab it. And that automatically wins. Okay, next round. Okay, so the next round we have. Where are my hands? Okay, there we go. So let's pick the next one. My donut or my I spilled my beans? I would have to say my donut. Yeah. Okay. Oh, these are two very famous brands. My capybara stand or Rilakkuma? Rilakkuma. Next round. My donut or my Rilakkuma? My Rilakkuma. No, yeah, it's the last round. This goes out. So this is my winner. And this is me as winner. So, yeah.
They have to battle.
Oh, wait, but who's going to choose?
Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, they both, no.
No, it's rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
But they both win.
No, but there has to be one final winner.
This is your final winner. This is my final winner. That's the end of it. Should we make packaging?
No.
Some of my squishies now? Bye!